C12 October 2018 question 15 is one of those maximising minimising questions. So we've got a plan for a garden. Gardens to two identical rectangles of width y and length x. They're joined to a sector of a circle with radius x shown, and that angle is 0.8 radians. And the area is 60. I'm going to show the perimeter is given by that. Right, first of all, the arc length of a sector is 0.8 times x, because it's the angle times the radius, 0.8 times x. So I can now write the perimeter. Well, each of these rectangles contributes two y's and an x, and I've got two of them plus the arc length. I can simplify that down 2x and 0.8x and 4y. I've got to use the information that gives me the area 60, because I need to eliminate the y, because this is just in terms of x. Till the sector area is theta and a half theta r squared. So the whole of the area is 2 times xy, the two rectangles, and a half theta r squared. I can simplify that down to 2xy plus 0.4x squared, and that the question tells me is equal to 60. Rearranging, take the 0.4x squared over and divided by 2x, I get this. So I'm going to replace the y in the perimeter with my expression that I got from the area. It looks like this. I'll break this up into two fractions: 4 times 60 over 2x, 4 times minus 0.4 over 2x. This will cancel down, so it's 1.6x over 2, so 0.8x, and I'm taking that away. That'll leave me with the 2x that I wanted, and this just cancels down to 120 over x. Use calculus to find the exact minimum value for p. So I'm going to differentiate it. This is 120x to the minus 1, so the minus will go in front, the power of 1 less, so it's x squared on the bottom. And I want that to be equal to 0. This must be 60 on the bottom here. 2 minus 120 over 60 gives me 0. So the x must be root 60. So the p then is 2 lots of root 60 plus 120 over root 60. This is actually 2 root 60 as well if you put it in the calculator. So I've got 4 root 60. 60, I could take a 4 out, or root 4 out as a factor, and it simplifies down to a root 15, but you can put that in the calculator to get it in that form. Justify it's a minimum. Well, I need the second derivative to be positive, and you can see that it is really, because the minus 2 will go in front, make it a plus 240, and then the power of 1 less, so it'll be x to the power of minus 3. So the second derivative is 240 over x cubed. I mean, I'm not going to get a negative, because my x is definitely be positive, and even especially the value of root 60 is greater than 0, so it is indeed a minimum.